Welcome to the video on cryptography. The use of codes to secure communications and information so that only the intended recipients can comprehend and process. It is known as cryptography, thereby preventing unauthorized information access. The prefix crypt denotes hidden, while the suffix graphy denotes writing. In cryptography, the methods used to safeguard information are derived from mathematical concepts and a set of rule-based calculations, or algorithms, that transform messages in ways that make them difficult to decipher. Cryptographic key generation, digital signing, and verification to safeguard data privacy, internet browsing, and confidential credit card and debit card transactions are all made possible by these algorithms. Features of cryptography are as follows: confidentiality, integrity, non-repudiation, authentication. Confidentiality. Information can only be accessed by the person for whom it is intended, and no other person except him can access it. Integrity. Information cannot be modified in storage or transition between sender and intended receiver, without any addition to information being detected. Non-repudiation. The creator/sender of information cannot deny his intention to send information at later stage. Authentication. The identities of sender and receiver are confirmed, as well as destination/origin of information is confirmed. Types of cryptography. In general, there are three types of cryptography. Symmetric key cryptography. It is an encryption system in which both the sender and the receiver use a single, shared key to encrypt and decrypt messages. Although symmetric key systems are faster and simpler, the sender and receiver must securely exchange keys in some way. Data encryption system, DES, is the most widely used symmetric key cryptography system. Hashing functions. This algorithm makes no use of any keys. The plaintext is used to calculate a fixed-length hash value, making it impossible to recover the text's contents. Asymmetric key cryptography. Information is encrypted and decrypted using a pair of keys under the system. For encryption, a public key is used, and for decryption, a private key is used. Applications of cryptography. Computer passwords, digital currencies, secure web browsing, electronic signatures, authentication, cryptocurrencies, end-to-end encryption. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.